In today's video, I'm going to talk about Copilot Finance, a personal finance app that could be your next go-to tool for smarter money management. If you're looking for an easy way to track your expenses, manage subscriptions, and make better financial decisions, then Copilot might just be the right app for you. Let's dive in. So, what does Copilot Finance actually offer? First, it provides AI powered insights. This means it analyzes your spending and gives personalized budgeting recommendations based on your habits. Second, it has automatic expense tracking. It connects with your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts to pull in your transactions automatically. Third, you can create custom budgets, set financial goals, and easily adjust categories to fit your lifestyle. Fourth, it includes investment tracking. So whether you're into stocks, crypto, or planning your retirement, you can see everything in one place. And lastly, it helps with subscription management. Copilot automatically detects recurring payments, which is great for avoiding those surprise charges. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: it has a beautiful, user-friendly interface, smart AI features for budgeting, and built-in investment tracking, all in one app. Cons: it's only available on iOS, so Android users won't be able to access it. Also, after the free trial, a paid subscription is required to keep using it. So what do you think? Is Copilot Finance worth it? And that wraps up our review of Copilot Finance. Thanks for watching.